Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. I am going to show y'all a very quick little breakfast this morning, but it's nutritious. We have just gotten up, trying to wake up, having our coffee. We're kind of getting a little hungry, but I literally do not have space in my kitchen this morning to cook us some breakfast because I'm still on a canning spree. And there is like two things going on in my kitchen right now. I'm in the middle of making Christmas candy and treats for Christmas time and getting ready to dip things in chocolate. So my countertops are full. My island is full. You name it. I do not have space this morning, literally, to cook us, me and him, a breakfast. So I'm going to show y'all a quick little trick this morning that I learned. Microwave. I'm gonna make me a little egg sandwich, and when he wakes up, he was like, I just gotta go start my day again. So he went back, laid down for a few minutes. So when he wakes up, I'll see if he wants one. So it's just a quick little breakfast. It doesn't take but like maybe 5 minutes to put together, and it'll get some protein in you really quick and some carbs, to just because believe it or not, carbs are still a little healthy, okay? They're on the food pyramid. They were put here for a reason, okay? So, I'm going to make a quick little egg sandwich, and I will show you how, even in the microwave, okay? So, just hold on tight. I'll show you what I do, okay? I'm going to take one egg. All it takes is probably like one egg per person. A little bit of milk. Because I like to fluff it up a little bit. Scramble. Or whisk. Beat it up. Salt. Y'all, you can get creative with this. You can put anything in this that you want to. I'm putting a little bit of cheese. I'm going to microwave this in the microwave 1 minute first per egg, then you can check it after that, okay? So simple. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. A little bit of mayonnaise. Y'all, you can toast your bread if you want to, or you can just leave it like this if you want to. Put whatever you want on it. Butter, mayonnaise, whatever. I like an egg sandwich with just a little bit of mayonnaise. This bread's kind of thick, see? So I'm just going to put a good amount on there. One minute, 20 seconds. Look at that. Cover your bowl or whatever you cook it in with a paper towel so the egg doesn't explode in your microwave. and you just flop it out. Look, y'all. You can do this on a bagel. You can do this on a hamburger bun. Since I used a round one, I could have put this on a hamburger bun. See how simple that was, y'all? That wasn't hard at all. That took less than 5 minutes, okay? So, I can sit down, I can have me a breakfast. Like I said, you can put anything in those eggs. I put some cheese. You can chuck up you some little vegetables like peppers or onions or little pimentos or anything. You can throw some greens in there like kale or spinach. Dice it up real fine, miniature, you know. You can put garlic. You can jazz it up any way you want to. Make it like an omelet in a bowl and put it on your sandwich. You can dice up meat and put in it. Little bacon bits, diced ham, pepperoni, salami. Oh, some fried bologna. I should have fried me a piece of bologna to put on that, y'all. I may do that. We got some bologna in there. Fry up a piece of bologna, slap on top of that. Y'all, there's a quick, nutritious breakfast to start your day, and that took less than 5 minutes, okay? So there's your quick little tip, okay? I'm going to go in here, try to wake up because I have more canning to do. I am almost done with all my canning, y'all, and almost done with all my Christmas candy. So there's your good little morning. I'm fixing to start my day. I have a lot of work to do today, y'all. So I got to get started, but I want a full belly when I do it, okay? So y'all have a good day. Hope you try this. Let me know some of y'all's little tips and tricks in the comments below, okay? See y'all in the next one.